As the Confucius saying goes, 下看是知老熊, or check out the view, dude. After the success of my maiden SodaStream canister-powered jetpack flight, I'm back again above the waters of Port Phillip Bay, Melbourne, and hopefully I've solved the leakage problems I experienced first time round. Well, I guess that's a no. It's amazing to be experiencing nature this way. The fresh sea air, the water, the sand, the seagulls shitting on my back. Damn you, seagulls! But look at this couple, not a clue about the beautiful views around them. Can't look away from their phones. One of them taking selfies, the other probably playing Candy Crush. Not sure how long they've been together, but I give them 6 months. I think I better end this flight quickly. There's a flock of seagulls gathering in formation above me. This could get messy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!